Hi! If you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
In this video, we will discuss the top 7 best meat injector. So let's get started. Number 7. Norpro Deluxe Stainless Steel Baster. If you prefer to have a streamlined arsenal of cooking gadgets, try this 2-in-1 tool, a baster/marinade injector combo. It looks like your average turkey baster, the elongated tip with the bulb syringe at the top, but it comes with an attachable needle for injecting liquids into the meat rather than simply squeezing them atop the surface. For occasional use, there's really not much to complain about. But you should know that you won't have as much control as you would with a dedicated marinade injector. And at 1.5 ounces, the capacity is also a bit smaller than some others on the list. Number 6. SpitJack Magnum Meat. Though a simple marinade injector is enough for most amateur cooks, a marinade gun, often used by grill masters in competitions, will take your meal prep to the next level. Why? Marinade guns allow you to inject a very precise amount of marinade at a time, but hold up to 50 milliliters to limit the number of times you need to refill. This gun is a favorite because it's easy to operate. Think of it kind of like a caulk gun. You simply set the injection amount with the dial, then gently squeeze. It also comes in a comprehensive kit that includes just about everything you could possibly need, for marinating needles, 3 cleaning brushes, and a case for storage and easy transport. And if on the off chance you lose something, you can buy replacement parts rather than splurge on a whole new gun. Number 5. Ofargo Plastic Marinade Injector Kit. For a quality marinade injector, this home cook-friendly kit is a bargain. While it is mostly plastic, there's plenty to love. It holds a decent amount of marinade, about 1 ounce, features easy-to-read measurements, is ergonomically designed for simple one-hand maneuvering, and comes with 2 sturdy stainless steel injection needles. The needles themselves are both 3 inches long, but differ slightly in the sense that one is made for pure liquids, while the other can accommodate marinades with some chunkier components. When not in use, both needles slide into 2 small holes in the main injection chamber for convenient, safe storage. Number 4. Premiala Meat Injector. When you're cooking something as large as a Thanksgiving turkey, you'll need a marinade injector that is big enough for the job, otherwise, you risk not fully penetrating the meat. This heavy-duty stainless steel injector is up for the task since it comes with 2 extra long 6-inch needles, a 12-hole version for thinner liquids, and a single-hole version for thicker purees. Foresee needing a tool for smaller cuts of meat too? No problem, since this device also comes with a more precise 3-inch needle for steaks or even kebabs. With proper storage, this will be your go-to for years to come as it won't rust or corrode, plus it comes with 5 spare O-rings. Number 3. OXO Flavor Injector. This marinade injector is a solid option for novices, thanks to easy-to-read measurements that guide you as you dispense up to 2 ounces, making you feel more in control of the process. It also has an ergonomic handle that makes one-handed operation more smooth. There's no excess here, either. The kit comes with just 2 needles, one for thick marinades and another for thinner liquids. While it's not stainless, it's made of durable BPA-free plastic that should afford you a number of years of use. Though it's not dishwasher safe, the whole thing comes apart easily, so you can soak it in warm, soapy water for a thorough clean. Number 2. JY COOKMENT Meat Injector Syringe. When you're cooking outdoors, having durable tools is an absolute necessity, and this heavy-duty 304 stainless steel marinade injector fits the bill. It holds up to high heat, like the temps you'll get from grills. Plus, it holds up to 2 ounces of the marinade, fewer refills, and is resistant to dings, dents, rust, and corrosion. The set comes with everything you need for both larger and smaller cuts, including 3 needles, a 6-inch angled needle for chunkier marinades, a 6-inch 12-hole needle for thin liquids, and a 3-inch needle for fillets and precision injecting. And when it comes to cleanup, convenience is the name of the game here. Each and every part is entirely dishwasher safe. Number 2. Bayou Classic Stainless Steel. If you can't pass up a marinade with plenty of flavor from minced garlic, onions, or veggies, you'll need a marinade injector that can handle thicker liquids. Make sure whatever tool you choose comes with a needle with a wider construction that won't clog like this one. He stainless steel injector comes with that thicker needle, but also a smaller one for those times when you're using a pure liquid marinade. The barrel is large enough for those thicker liquids too, as it accommodates up to 2 ounces.